Create your own reality with Kathleen Lee at the New York New Life Expo. Do you genuinely believe you create your own reality, or are you still unsure, like so many others? Kathleen Lee invites you to explore this fascinating journey with her, where she uncovers the power of creation we all possess. From skepticism to realization. Like many of us, Kathleen started as a skeptic, from thinking, "What are you even talking about?" to the moments of "Did I do that?" Her journey is filled with both laughter and challenges. The turning point, becoming the creator. Through her growing understanding, Kathleen discovered the strength to change her experiences, transforming what she didn't want into the reality she truly desired. Join her as she shares the turning points that changed her life. Kathleen's tools for transformation. Kathy doesn't just talk the talk, she walks the walk. As a transformational specialist and remote energy worker, she's been guiding others for over 6 years, channeling wisdom from the realm of beings. Shifting Impressions, the podcast. Tune in to Shifting Impressions, where Kathleen co-hosts a podcast that dives deep into the mysteries and miracles of creating your own reality. Want to learn more in person? Join Kathleen at the New Life Expo in Manhattan, New York, on October 19th to 20th. Register by calling 516-897-0090 or visit wlifeexpo.com. Your new reality awaits. See you there.